today I am going to prepare coconut ladoo, and before that in a saucepan I took 2 cups of water and I mix sugar. My one is a natural sugar, 6 spoon of sugar and 4 ilachi I put, and I already warmed it. For 5 minutes, and so now I will put it down and I will keep it aside. So here I gave in this water, I gave 5 spoon of my natural sugar and then ilachi. So this is my sugar, and then I will keep it aside. So now this is the coconut powder, and I will just stir it continuously in a karai. I am not putting any oil or anything, nothing. I am just stirring it continuously in a karai. Now after continuously stirring for 5 to 7 minutes, I will pour this water on the top of it. So again I will stir it as I put water. That water that I prepared with sugar and ilachi, and I will put the whole remaining water and I will stir it continuously. Yeah, after stirring it continuously, I spread it in a plate and I'll allow it to become a little bit of cool. I have spread it here. So this is the coconut spread that I put water mixed with sugar and ilachi. Now I will prepare ladoo with this. And so I am taking it in my hand, in the palm of my hands, and I will be doing like this to make it tight and tight and tight. And now I will, coconut ladoos are ready.